Open our driver URL while connected to the Internet. Find USB Wi-Fi adapter AC 1300 Mbps and click to enter. Click the picture to enter Dropbox to download the driver. Find Download to download the driver. Unzip the downloaded folder into a folder. After decompression is complete, click Folder to enter. Double-click Techkey-8812BU to enter. Find Windows and double-click to enter. Then find Setup and double-click to open to install. At this time, you can insert the USB wireless adapter purchased from Techkey into the USB port of the computer. Click Finish to complete the installation. After the installation is completed, you can click the icon indicated by the video arrow to connect to the network. Click Network provided by the Microsoft system in the lower right corner to enter the connection interface. Find the network you want to connect to and click Connect, then enter the network security key. Click Next to complete the connection. After the network connection is successful, you can click General on the app to check the network signal strength.